Alright guys, welcome back to our lessons, and our focus today is on automations, Pro Tools automations. Okay, so we are going to start with the edit window. If we go over here to the edit window, we can make automations to our music. So let's listen to this first. Alright, so one thing we can do is to automate how our delay works. So this is our delay. This is our delay here. So we can automate it so that let's say somewhere here. Come up with somewhere here. Alright, so we can be creative with how we delay sounds around that this area. So if we come to our delay, this is already on volume. Okay, this is where you do and we carry out our automations. So if we pick the pencil tool here, this come to this part around here. So here we click the point, you see the marker here. Now let's say we can click another point somewhere. If we go further, can click it somewhere here as well. So let's play. By increasing the delay around here, we reduce it around here so that this is automation. Now we could also delete it by, if we select this, highlight that area and click delete. The automation is done. So that is how you do automations on the edit window, volume automation. Okay.